Ever wondered how important efficient irrigation systems are to your garden? Well, they're more significant than you might think. These systems are our allies in conserving water, a precious resource we can't afford to waste. Additionally, they're cost-effective, saving you money in the long run. But it's not just about conservation and cost, it's also about your plants. Efficient irrigation promotes healthier growth, keeping your garden lush and vibrant. Understanding the importance of efficient irrigation is the first step towards a thriving garden. So, what exactly is an efficient irrigation system? Well, it's a well-coordinated ensemble of components that work together to provide your plants with the optimal amount of water they need. Let's break it down. First up, we have the sprinklers. These are the rainmakers of your garden, distributing water evenly over a large area. They're great for lawns and larger plants that need a good soak. Next, we have drip lines. These are perfect for delivering water directly to the root zone of your plants. They are ideal for garden beds, borders, and vegetable patches, reducing water wastage and ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. Soaker hoses are similar to drip lines, but these seep water along their entire length. They are perfect for rows of plants and dense planting areas. Finally, we have timers. Timers are the conductors of this orchestra, controlling when and how much water each component delivers. These elements, when combined, form an efficient irrigation system that ensures your plants receive just the right amount of water they need. Now that we understand the concept, how can we make it work for our gardens? It's all about tailoring to your garden's unique needs. Choose a system that fits, whether it's drip, sprinkler, or soaker hose. With the right system in place, you're on your way to a healthier, more vibrant garden. Efficient irrigation is not just about watering your plants, it's about giving them the care they need to thrive. Remember, an efficient system conserves water, saves you money, and nurtures your garden. Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.